Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to All About AI Tech, where we break down the latest in artificial intelligence and how it's reshaping our world. Today, we've got a jaw-dropping topic, how Amazon's AI cameras are scanning faces at UK train stations to detect emotions and more. Stay with us, it's going to be a wild ride. Imagine walking through a busy train station like London's Euston or Manchester Piccadilly and having your face scanned by AI without even knowing it. Yep, that's right. Over the past 2 years, 8 major train stations in the UK have been testing AI surveillance technology powered by Amazon. So what exactly are these cameras doing? They use Amazon's recognition software to predict aspects like age, gender, and even emotions. We're talking about sophisticated image recognition systems that can analyze whether you're happy, sad, or angry just by looking at you. The trials focused on more than just emotions, though. They also aim to improve safety and reduce crime. Cameras are used to detect trespassing on tracks, overcrowding on platforms, and antisocial behaviors like running or smoking. All this to make your travel experience safer, or so they say. In addition to the cameras, they've used wireless sensors to detect other safety hazards, like slippery floors, full bins, and overflowing drains. Essentially, these AI systems are like having an extra set of eyes looking out for potential risks. Here's how it works. Some cameras are smart and can detect movements and objects right away. Others are older models, but have their video feeds connected to the cloud for analysis. This data can then be used to alert staff to any issues in real time. Thanks to a Freedom of Information request by the civil liberties group Big Brother Watch, we now have detailed insights into these trials. They found out that between 5 to 7 cameras or sensors were installed at each participating station, gathering extensive data. In fact, one document lists 50 possible AI use cases, but not all were tested. For example, at London Euston, suicide risk detection system was planned but didn't go ahead because the camera failed and it wasn't deemed necessary to replace it given that Euston is a terminus station. The part that raises eyebrows the most is the focus on passenger demographics. These cameras are capturing images as you cross a virtual tripwire near ticket barriers, which are then analyzed to produce a demographic breakdown. Talk about Big Brother vibes. According to the documents, the system can provide a statistical analysis of age range and male/female demographics and can even infer emotions like happiness or sadness. This is supposedly to measure passenger satisfaction and maximize advertising revenue. But here's the kicker. Many AI researchers argue that using technology to detect emotions is fundamentally flawed. They say it's unreliable and might never work effectively. In October 2022, the UK's Information Commissioner's Office even called these technologies immature and warned they may not ever function as intended. And while we might want to wave goodbye to these controversial trials, the reality is they're already in place, collecting data from thousands of unwitting passengers. So this brings us to the big issue, privacy concerns. The rollout of AI surveillance in public places without much public consultation has people worried. How will this data be used, and who has access to it? These are questions that still need transparent answers. It's important that we have conversations about these technologies before they become the norm. What do you think? Should AI that monitors emotions be allowed in public spaces? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a community discussion going. Your opinions matter, and it's high time we talked about the implications of AI in our daily lives. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more such content. Ring that bell icon so you never miss an update from All About AI Tech. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate your continued support. We're always striving to bring you the best content possible, and your feedback helps us improve. So drop your suggestions and thoughts down below. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.